In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Total Battle game app. So if you're experiencing any challenge with this game app, maybe the game is too slow, it can't open, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can solve this problem. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot this. In the first method, we're going to access the app info page, and to do this, we need to go to settings, and from settings look for the option called apps, and under apps go for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone, and for this tutorial I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now under this, look for your app, and as you can see, my app is here. Alternatively, you can search for your app using the search bar here. Once you are on it, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see we are on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app, and once you have found it, just go ahead and long press on it, then tap on app info, and this will take you again to the same app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. So if I go to storage here, you can see we have a lot of cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally stores whenever you use it to enhance user experience. But the problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data, and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK. And this will go ahead and clear all the cache data. You can see now we have zero cache data. Then restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have solved your problem. However, should this not solve your problem, again come back to app info page, and this time around go ahead and tap on clear data, and now choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. Now this should solve your problem. But should you still experience any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and look for any update. So I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store and then search for this app. You can see here, then look for any update. If it is available, you'll see it here. Go ahead and update it to the latest version. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Total Battle strategy games that might contain bugs. And now you can launch it and start playing. However, should you still encounter any challenge, then you might want to uninstall the app and then install it afresh. And this will restore your app to a new version that is bugs free. So let me know which of these methods was able to solve your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.